Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tanisha with Life with Tanisha RN, where I like to plan moments and journal life. Today, I am unboxing or unpackaging yet another subscription that came in, and I'm just late getting around to it. So this is one of my favorites. This is the faith-based subscription sticker quarterly subscription from Firefield Creations. Everything is faith-based with this company, and if you're looking or needing some items to add to your planners, your journals, notebooks that are faith-based, this would be the company. Absolutely beautiful products. I am an affiliate with the company, and I just can't wait to jump in to see this subscription. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you are stopping by for the first time, thank you. I hope that you enjoy what you see, and I hope that you'll hit that like button and that subscribe button. All right. Let's see. That's something on my hand. I'm not sure what that is. All right, let's get started. I need some scissors. And I hope everything is going well wherever you may be. Okay. Now, the way she does the subscription, it is we're studying the Bible during the quarter. So from July to September, and we're studying the book of Genesis. It is part 1. So the last part of the year will be part 2. And I absolutely love this folder. It houses this. All right. And where is, let's see, I like to get this. And each Sunday via Zoom, there is and you don't have to be a subscriber to participate in it, but there's like a Bible study that she leads, and just going through whatever the book that we're studying for the quarter. Again, this is Genesis. So, and it is the beginning of an awesome, well, I say awesome journey, but beginning of a journey. Let's just say that. And here, I won't read all of this, but there's a welcome. And she kind of explained what's going to be happening for the next 3 months. And here's the schedule. And again, on Sundays, we'll meet and review the subject for that week. And that's August. And if you want to do verse mapping, she gives a sample there. I love verse mapping. And this just talks about the Bible study. This is just great. All right, let's start on this side. And here, this is just like a little booklet, and you can hole punch it here and put it into your planner or your journal. I haven't done it yet, but I think what I might do is maybe use it like a tip-in, maybe. I'm not sure. I just put it in the pocket. Love that. And here are our stickers. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. That's Genesis 1:1. And if you're returning, you know how much I absolutely love florals. So there's some florals. And then we see Adam and Eve, Cain and Abel. We have the great flood with Noah. It's beautiful. The Tower of Babel. We got the 10 Commandments. Sodom and Gomorrah. We got those florals too, y'all. We got Abraham. We got Hagar. She was, she is referred to as the slave girl. And his wife, Sarah, they kind of didn't want to wait on God. We're going to do what we need to do to get us a baby. And, well, we know what happened. There's Ishmael. And then here we are with Sarah. Guys, the good thing about God is that even though we are hard-headed, just want to go on our own time, his plan is going to go forward. He has his own time frame. We might as well just wait and get with the program and not make it so hard for ourselves, but his plan is always good. God will provide himself a land for burnt offerings. We have the lady here at the well. I just love the florals here. Love this. We got Joseph. Beautiful. And this is giving me Adam and Eve. Everything kind of stems from them. I have an idea about what I'm going to use their stickers on something. So you got to make sure you come back because in a couple of days I am going to create a journal entry, and I have an idea. So just come back. Come back. Make sure you have those alerts going. Okay. And then we have our date and date stickers. I have the smaller ones as well. So I can use in my, because the headers are sometimes smaller. But then you have the larger ones as well. So we have July, August, and September. Let's see. Come in closer. Like that. And then we have our alphabets, July, August. And let me tell you, sometimes I'm notorious. I will pull August into July and July into September. I just depending on the color scheme and how I'm feeling, or even which one I grab first. So just FYI. And then we have our numeric. Same thing with that. Depending on the color scheme, I'll pull. So even though this is July, I may pull it in August. Yep. All right. And then we have some more. These are our transparent stickers. These I like to call more like the dolls that are studying. Perfect. I love them. Aren't they pretty? And look at the florals. I love this. Studying the word, journaling, and they are praying. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, y'all. So this is the subscription box. Make sure, and it's quarterly, make sure that you check my affiliate links so that you can sign up for your own subscription. Make sure that you have you're subscribed to the channel and have your notification bell on so that you see how I use some of these. Absolutely love them. I not only use stickers, these faith-based stickers in my faith journal and faith planners, but I also use it in my mini planner. If you've been on the channel, you'll see me use those, and I'll use it in my personal journals as well. All right, friends, again, thank you so much for stopping by. If you would do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me on your way out. And again, make sure you have the subscribe button hit and the notification bell on, because you're going to see Adam and Eve. And I'm not sure, you may see some more individuals, but I know I just got an idea what I'm going to do with them in an upcoming video. Like in the next few days, I think I'm going to work on it after I finish filming this. So want you to check that out. And until next time, friends, make sure you take care of yourselves and each other's. Bye.